Okay, the first thing that I've done today, I put this UL tape around here because the duct manual recommends that there be nothing touching the ducts. It's not UL, or it needs to have an inch of clearance. So this has an inch of clearance, but this is steel, so it's not a problem. But I didn't want these ducts to be within an inch of any combustible material, meaning like wood or anything like that. And then I screwed the registers in, and then once we're done shearing out the front, we'll be able to put this on top of that shear. Aluminum's along the side, and then the duct vents here, so I can just run the shear, and then we'll put the register in and screw it in. It'll be good. Let me show you the other thing we did today. Now the washer dryer is right here, right?
Still here.
The washer dryer runs on 110. So this cable, once the washer dryer's in, we'll be able to come around here and plug in here.
Plug her in!
Right now what we're going to do is run a piece of romex to the back to all the outlets that will be in the back of the bus.
Back of the bus. Cool. So
our first step, I ran the romex, which is basically just like some wire from the sub panel to here. And so now what we're going to do is I'll run the outlets in a circuit. So this romex is going to come to this box, it's going to enter this box, connect to the outlet, and then it's also going to exit this box. I'm going to run the wire along the bottom here, and then it's going to go to the back so that we get all the outlets at the back of the bus on the same circuit. Temporarily tack it in here. And Bob's your uncle.
Bob's your uncle.
This is enough wire right here for me to know that I can cut it here and then attach an outlet to these bits, and at the same time know that it's going to run to the sub panel and have enough wire to go to the back. Because if you follow this wire along, you'll see that there's a spool back here. And we still have far more than we need over there in order to wire this up. So I'm guessing that this is wired now. Obviously I'm going to take the faceplate off, but I just kind of wanted to show you how it looked in the end. Again, not a licensed electrician. I don't even recommend doing it.
Don't try this at home, kids.
I'm just installing a register on the... I don't even know if this is really necessary, but the ducting says that you want to put UL tape on stuff that is within an inch of the registers and all the ducting. And so I'm just putting it on the wood that we're attaching the registers to. That was a cool title screen.
I'm so pooped. I wired a bunch of outlets, titled the 12-volt system, ran a bunch of registers, and tried to get as much done as possible today, but I'm just super tired. You're pooped! Yeah.
The refrigerator can't just run on solar. It ran out to like 50% in the morning, and then it only charged up to like 60. So if I did it again, it would just keep running the batteries out. With the temperatures and the sun the way that we have it right now, we would just exhaust the batteries before it would work. So we don't have a solar powered fridge, but we do have a lot of solar power, and once we're just running 12-volt stuff on there and we have a little bit of propane to support, I think that it'll be fine. We'll still have a very off-grid house, but it's not just going to be totally running on solar to power the fridge.
Bummer.
But everything else will work fine because it's all LP fridge, LP water heater, LP furnace. So everything basically just happens with propane, and then the 12 volt electricity, and all the 12 volt stuff we're putting in there, the solar can run all the time. So I still think that the overall premise of the bus is solid, but I did overestimate the capacity of the solar system a little.
That's okay. We're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I'm really tired. Thank you guys for watching. It was really great talking to the commenters and everything.
And we're taking a break, so we'll be away for a week. We're going to Seattle on a road trip. So don't miss us too much. We'll miss you guys. But don't worry, we'll be back to continue on the bus conversion.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
That's all.
That is all. Bye guys. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you. You. And especially you. Love you guys. Bye.
Ian's really, really tired. He's been working really, really hard, and I'm really excited that we're taking a break because he deserves it. This is no joke. This is a huge deal. We only have like 2 weeks after we get back to sort of finish up the bus. Well, we have about 2 to 3 weeks, and then we would like it to be done. So a lot to be done still. Yeah, wish us luck. We can do it.